Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can turn on and off the Adapt Sound option on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to do this, we need to open the settings. In the settings, scroll down and go to Sounds and Vibration, and then scroll down and go to Sound Quality and Effects. Over here we have Adapt Sound, which can be quickly enabled and disabled by tapping on this slider over here. In addition to that, we can also tap on the name of the option in order to find more settings for this feature. So we have Adapt Sound 4, and here we can choose for media and calls, only for media, and only for calls. In addition to that, we can boost high frequencies by selecting under 30 years old. If your age is between 30 to 60 years old, then it will boost high and mid frequencies. And if you are over 60 years old, you can boost all frequencies. You can also add personalized sound profile, where you will conduct a hearing test, and then you will create your own profile. In addition to that, these profiles that are already made on the right side, they have this gear icon, which is supposed to be settings. So if you tap on the gear, you will have the preview, you have the preferred ear for calls, and sound preference, which can be set to clear or soft. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!